Hello Tech Explorers, want to give your Telegram chat a fresh new vibe? In just few taps, you will learn how to change your chat background color. Let's go. First, open Telegram and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Go to Settings, then tap on Chat Settings. Now, find the Change Chat Wallpaper and tap on it. Here, you will see multiple background options. To change the color, select Set a Color and pick your favorite shade. Want to make it even cooler? You can add patterns, blur effect, or motion for extra customization. What's your go-to chat color? Dark mode, blue, or something bold? Let me know in the comments below. Once you are happy with your choice, tap Set Background and that's it. Your chat is now customized. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.